Good morning, Rooster.
Wow, welcome to bright and early with Whitney.
It is absolutely glorious outside. It's about 45 degrees. I want to get out there and clean up these planters over here, clean up the garden just a little bit, but it is so pretty outside. I just want to be out there right now. Look at this precious little lamb. Hi, honey. You got a waggle butt? A wiggle tail? Hey, sweetheart. Where's your brother? Where's Jackson? She was like, I don't know. I don't care. Keep him away. There he is. Look at this distinguished gentleman laying in the sunshine. Hi, buddy. You like the morning sun? Me too. You want to go outside? Where's Daddy? I'm just going to be cleaning up these planter boxes just a little bit. I'm going to take this alyssum out because it looks a little scraggly, but I think I am going to leave the mums, see if they come back. I'm going to leave the ivy because I think some of it actually rooted. That looks a little bit better, I think. If you guys know what these are, let me know. I think that they are Canterbury bells. I think that might be a foxglove. This is dinosaur kale. That's, I think, a cabbage. Asters, mums. But it's looking pretty good. Just gonna leave it and see what happens. So since that was kind of acting as a mulch, I do need to go in here and put some mulch in so everything stays safe over the winter. Oh, yeah. Is that yummy? Did you get it? Okay, I think that's enough, guys. So I'm just going through and kind of chopping up all the weeds, and then I'm going to be turning it back into the soil. So the old mulch, the leaves from the trees that have fallen in here, and the weeds will kind of replenish the soil a little bit. Then in the spring I can add in a little bit more compost and hopefully amend the soil enough to where we can get another good growing season. I need a new shovel. It's like literally about to come apart. So this is an okra that actually just never happened. So I got the front two sides done, and while I was working on this little like circle tiered garden that I had like an herb garden in, I kind of called it a cocktail tower. The legs totally rusted off. You can see one of the legs right there. Rusted off and fell right on top of me. I'm totally fine. So I'm going to continue working back here for just a little bit, but it is starting to get really chilly. So I'm going to have Mark help me move these out of the way, just kind of like in the center so they're not, you know, just like in the way, and then head inside. And then it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow, so I'm going to come back out here tomorrow for a little bit and just keep working. I have quite a few apples left over from when Mark and I went apple picking. These do have a pretty long shelf life, but I think I want to make some applesauce. So let's make some applesauce. So this is probably equivalent to about 8 medium-sized apples. I'm just going to add in a half a cup of water. Get this going. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, then about 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. I'm just using ground Saigon cinnamon, and we're just gonna say that much. Stir that all together. We're gonna cover it and let it cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes. It's been simmering for about 5 minutes. Oh my God, you guys, this smells incredible. Like my whole house smells amazing. So they're starting to get kind of soft. Perfect. But just stir occasionally and let it keep simmering. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to remove it from the heat. I'm just going to let this cool for a couple of minutes. I'm going to go in with a potato masher and mash this up. Now you can put this in like a food processor or a blender if you want it to be like not chunky. I might do half kind of chunky and half super smooth, but we're just going to let this sit for just a couple minutes. I'm going to go in with my potato masher and mash these up. So I'm gonna leave this one chunky, and look at how tiny this little food processor is, you guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna blend up some in here to make it super smooth. Here's the smooth, here's the chunky. Now we have to taste test it. Okay, moment of truth. I'm trying the smooth one. You can see the little cinnamon flecks in there. Oh my God, you guys. This is amazing, and it's so easy. That maple syrup in there sweetens it up just enough. That Saigon Cinnamon, is that what it is? Saigon Cinnamon is perfect. I mean, you could just use regular cinnamon, it doesn't really matter, but I could just imagine putting this over some vanilla bean ice cream, mixing it into some morning oatmeal. Well, we ended the day where we started the day, right here by the coffee pot. Okay guys, well, thank you for spending day 10 with me here on Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow for day 11. Okay, bye.